Sleeping Natsume was awakened by a strange sound. A strange monster was running around. Then it disappeared. It turns out that this monster is called a Chawanmashi. It's a demon that draws on the power of the earth to become a demon. They run around the house to warn of disasters. It may also be able to prevent bad luck on behalf of the family. Natsume's heart dropped as he listened. That day, he saw an old man fall. He went to help him. The old man grabbed Natsume and asked for help. Once a powerful demon lent her a mirror, but the demon disappeared. Natsume was afraid that the disaster would affect his family, so he refused the old man. But when he woke up at night, found the old man at his window, Natsume had no choice but to agree with the old man. The next day, the old man took him to the forest. It turned out that the demon had helped the old man get rid of the evil spirits. Natsume realized that the monster was his grandmother. Suddenly, a demon appeared and bit Natsume. His arm was bitten off in no time. Mr. Cat rushed to save Natsume. Surprisingly, Natsume's wound healed. Natsume returned home and realized that a tea bowl of unknown origin had been broken, and he realized why he was unharmed.